Hereby, once again, we have a simple, an online digital platform of learning where this pandemic COVID-19 brought us with a connectivity and we used to discuss it out. So hereby today we will going to pursue ahead with production possibility curve. It marks the identity of two combination commodities can be produced with available resources, but one we have to sacrifice. And that sacrifice is next best alternative foregone called opportunity cost. So warmly welcome you. In the phase of understanding production possibility curve and its shape, and the reason behind it is the formation of opportunity cost, the missed and sacrificed option for the available resources to solve the problem of choice. Opportunity cost is defined as next best alternative foregone, a sacrificing cost. It has the identity of choice due to the scarcity of resources and its alternative uses. We have to mark it out with a problem of choice, and that's the opportunity cost. Opportunity cost means the loss of benefit which we can obtain if we didn't have to choose. And it is including the utility or economic benefit which can be derived out with the available resources but lost. It is due to the scarcity and choice relationship of resources. So let's have a look on it. In the formation of the graph, so let's see how this works and functions in graph.
Dear scholars, once again we have assembled, and this time it is platform of learning, and hereby we are discussing microeconomics, and this time we will going to discuss the production possibility curve. Reason for the shape of the production possibility curve. But in a country, every country or economy marks the resources abundant supply with a limited जियोग्राफिकल एरिया. अबंडेंस है हर सप्लाई की, अबंडेंस है हर चीज़ की, अवेलेबिलिटी है और भरमार भी है उस चीज़ की, क्योंकि वो टन्स में है, लैक्स टन में है, नहीं तो थाउजेंड्स में है. एंड इट हैज़ लिमिटेड सप्लाई, बट उसकी सप्लाई लिमिटेड है. रिसोर्सेज तो अबंडेंस में है पर उसकी सप्लाई लिमिटेड है, बिकॉज इट विल टेक टाइम फॉर रिकवरी और रीजनरेशन. So there is one question arise that how the economy will resolve this problem. So the problems begin, we know about. So we have to face the problem, and that problem is of limited supply. And give birth to choose द यूज़. अब हमें उस चीज़ का यूज़ चुनना पड़ेगा कि हमें किस जगह उसे यूज़ आउट करना है, किस जगह नहीं यूज़ आउट करना. सो वी हैव टू मेक कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस, वी हैव टू एडजस्ट, एंड दैट एडजस्टमेंट लीड्स टू अ कॉस्ट. हमें कोई चीज़ छोड़नी पड़ेगी, सैक्रिफाइस करनी पड़ेगी. तो उसका बेटा एक इन्फ्लुएंस होगा. एवरी इन्फ्लुएंस एंड इफेक्ट अकॉर्ड इफेक्ट द इकोनॉमिक्स एंड प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व. एक ऐसा कर्व, एक ऐसी एक्सेसिबिलिटी, एक ऐसा एरिया जो हमें ये दिखाता है कि हमें उस अपॉर्चुनिटी के रिटर्न में क्या कीमत पे करनी पड़ी, व्हाट वी हैव सेक्रीफाइस्ड इन ऑर्डर टू अवेल दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. हर अपॉर्चुनिटी के कॉस्ट है. अपॉर्चुनिटी का मतलब है आपके हैंड में चांस, यानी चांस अवेलेबल करने का, and that availability said to be the opportunity. Now production possibility curve में हम एक situation लेंगे. That situation means to say we have land. हमारे पास land है, उस पे हम एग्रीकल्चर भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने लास्ट एग्जाम्पल में आपको कहा कि हम उस पर एग्रीकल्चर भी कर सकते हैं, एंड अनदर एग्जाम्पल में कहा था कि हमारी कंट्री में एग्रीकल्चर की अबंडेंस है और इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर और डिफेंस सेक्टर में क्राइसिस है. तो इंडस्ट्रियल और एक लैंड है और इसे इंडस्ट्री में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और एग्रीकल्चर में भी. सो आई एम डिलीवरिंग द सेम हाइपोथेटिकल शेड्यूल बट विद 5 पॉइंट्स, क्योंकि बेटा मुझे इस क्लास को कंक्लूड भी करना है, अदरवाइज तो दैट कैन बी वेरी लेंथी टू डिस्कस. लुक, आई हैव स्टार्टेड विद 5 कॉम्बिनेशंस. लुक, 5 कॉम्बिनेशन A, B, C, D, E. Then I have given you word for agriculture. So India के पास गेहूं चावल बहुत famous है agriculture में. This is agriculture. And here we are discussing industry. You can say defense, but defense always established with industry. So here is the combination. And this combination means to say this. And now check, there is wheat. I am not producing wheat. I am only producing first stage tanks. Then next stage, wheat production also, tank production also. Then tank, wheat, the ratio is going on. This you will know how we have constructed because I have delivered a separate video for it and I already shared with you. So hereby we are discussing for the phases and this phase will be discussed here. Now next see, we are going to have a increase in the wheat. Wheat में increase है. इस wheat में जो increase है आपका वो tank में reduction है. अब इसके लिए एक situation create हो चुकी है that if we will move. Dear scholars, as I have left you with the situation number 1 where we have moved from point A to B and we have increased the production of wheat and we have reduced the production of tanks. So let's now check it out. What will it demonstrate on the graph? So look, we are losing 15 to 14. So minus 1. So 1 minus will be our loss. And here we are moving from 0 to 1. So we are moving ahead. Then 1 to 2. Then 14 to we are moving 12. So this is going to show you 9. Then that will bring you 5 and then it will bring you to 0. 0 to 1 to 2 to 3. Then to 4. Then to 5. So ultimately one side you are gaining and another side you are losing. So this is said to be a condition. And this condition that you are gaining wheat at the cost of your tank. You are rising your agriculture production on the cost of your industrial production because your. So dear scholars, that used to be this increasing wheat and tank will going to have a cost and that is called opportunity cost. Cost of availing one opportunity. यदि मैं wheat का production rise करती हूँ तो I have to sacrifice tank. In terms of losing other, because मैं loss पे हूँ ना. Look, I am getting down in the form of the tank side and in the side of the wheat we are increasing, gaining. So this is called opportunity cost, मौका. मेरे पास जो opportunity थी, जो chance था, मैंने उसे reduce कर दिया. किसकी production में? Tank की production में. So I can rise wheat. So look, in the terms of loss of another opportunity and जो total loss है वो occur होगा output का if we will shift from one use to another. First use is wheat and second use is tank and ultimately we are moving from wheat to tank or tank to wheat. You can check it out on the both sides. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're rising wheat, so you are reducing tank and this is called your opportunity cost. So hereby opportunity cost means that you are sacrificing one alternative use or for availing the next opportunity. आपको अगर wheat की production rise करनी then you have to give up tank, otherwise you have to give up wheat. You couldn't produce with same resource both the sides. So you have to make a choice and that choice leads to opportunity cost. So ये वाली opportunity cost आपको इधर से down ला रही है और इधर से forward लेके जा रही है. So that's why it is concave shape and downward sloping. Downward sloping PPC. PPC आपकी opportunity cost की वजह से downward sloping है. Because आपको इधर से reduce करना पड़ रहा है इधर gain करने के लिए. So that's why it is downward sloping.
Hereby, after assembling all the presentations and digital physical classes for the understanding. Now it's all time to say goodbye to each other. With a promise to see you again, I am concluding it. Opportunity cost is a cost which have to be understood for understanding the position and shape of production possibility curve. It is the alternative uses which marks the identity presence in opportunity cost. एक ऐसा स्रोत जिससे आपके संसाधन का मैनेजमेंट हो और आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल हो जाए with judicious use. So hereby thank you for visiting. See you again soon.